Let's make this sales dashboard in MS Excel. So look at it, looks like very well, and you can filter the data based on region, year, and product. Look at total sales, profit, orders, top products, top customer, sales by region, sales by sales by month. Okay, so let's, for example, in 2023, the data of 2023, in 24, 25. In 25, I would like, we have just in region Mazar and product keyboard and laptop. But in 2024, we have these product region. In these four regions, we have these products. In 2023, we had lots of in all regions. So let's remove this filter. Let's apply based on, for example, Kabul. Okay, the Kabul. In Kabul, we have just mouse. Okay, in 2023, just in 2023. If we select Jalalabad, so we have data in 2023 and 24, and we have products, camera, and laptop. So let's select Mazar and Kandahar. So these are, let's remove it also. For example, based on product, laptop was in all years, but in Jalalabad, in Mazar. Keyboard was also in the same. Mouse was just in 23, 24, and in these three regions. So that's how we can filter our data. Let's remove it also, and everything will change accordingly to that. So let's make this in MS Excel just in a few minutes. So this is our raw data in this data sheet. I rename it data. Let's create a new sheet. We will name it dashboard. And let's make a third sheet. We will name it pivot. Here we will create our pivot tables. In dashboard, first of all, let's remove the grid lines. Come here to view, remove grid lines, and also apply background color. So let's select the whole and come here to the home, and the background color will be like this gray color. That's it. Let's also unpin this toolbar ribbon menu. Let's first of all draw here a shape. Come here to the insert shapes, select a shape and draw that. Let's increase the size 130, and it will looks like this. Okay, just come here and let's remove the background, no fill, and sorry, the fill that will be white and outline will be white. That's also. Here I will write sales dashboard. Control A, let's change the font to bold, increase the size and bring to the middle and change color to black or yellow or green, blue, sorry. After that, we will have here the, before that, let's copy this one. Control Z, copy that. Let's remove the text and let's decrease the size. I will just the layout of the dashboard. I will create the layout of the dashboard using these cards. So I created the layout like this. Look at, so these are just cards, two cards. Okay, the top card has white background. The second, the down card has green color. Same to here and same here. I imported these icons, so you can import icons here. You might using the newer version. Here you can find the icons, but I use pictures and I imported from my local PC. So now let's create the slicers. Okay, here I will create the slicers per region, year, and also per the product. Three slicers. So to create slicers, we need to create pivot tables for that first of all. So let's come here to the pivot table, to our data, and we will select all our data. Control A. After selecting our data, come here to insert, come here to the pivot table, and I will move to existing worksheet. Come here to the pivot and I will select the first one, press OK. So I created this pivot table. In this pivot table, first of all, I want to filter based on region. So I will select region. So it will come to rows. After coming to rows, we have the regions. Come here now to analyze. In analyze, just come here to the insert slicer. Here we will select region. Press OK. After that, you will have this slicer. Come here to options. In option, we will just increase the columns in one row. After that, let's change the background also to this blue color, and let's move it to the top like this. increase the size, bring it here. Control C it and come here to dashboard and paste it here. After pasting that, bring it here. This was based on our region. Now we will have based on year. Okay, as we had before, we will do the same process, but instead of this, in this pivot table, we selected region. Now we will select year. Simply copy this one, paste it here, select it, and instead of region, select year. That's it. Select again, analyze, insert slice, year, press OK, option in columns. We will change background also and bring it and move it to the dashboard. We will do same thing for products also. So now let's have total sales and profit also. So for that, let's come here back to pivot table. Copy this, paste it here, and here we will just bring, instead of year, we will bring sum of amount. That's okay. So here I will just write equal to this value because we can't move it there. So simply now I will come here to dashboard and I will copy this text box. Control, drag it down. I will copy that. Simply here, select the whole text. And on the formula bar, write equal to, then select that value in pivot sheet. Select this one, press enter. So here we will have this value. Let's come here to home, bold it, increase the size like this. Let's move it to the drag it to the profit also. Press control, bring it here, and also bring it to the orders. Now for this one, let's remove this. We will create a new pivot table. For the profit, let's copy this one, paste it here, and we will have, instead of amount, we will have profit. That's it. Equal to this value, press enter. Let's remove this decimal. So for that, let's format it home. Instead of general, come here to the custom and to the number, and let's remove this. Press OK. That's it. Now come here back, remove this formula bar, equal to pivot, this value, press enter. We have this value. Let's home, bold it and increase the size. For orders, let's remove this, come here to the pivot, control C. After control C, paste it here. After pasting, come here, instead of profit, we will just drag the date. Sorry, we will just bring the date to values, and it will count how many orders we received. Let's equal to this one, press enter, come here, remove this value, equal to pivot, select this, press enter. We received 20 orders. Home, bold it and increase the size. That's it. Now let's come here to the top products. So for the top product, come here to the pivot table. We will create a new pivot table. Let's copy this and paste it here. Let's now, instead of date, let's bring product to the rows and amount to the videos. That's it. We have top. Now let's find the top products. Let's filter it. Value filter and top 10, and here we will select just top 5. That's it. Press OK. We have top 5. So now let's create a graph for this. Come here to insert to the recommended graph. So we will create a bar. This one. That's okay. Press OK. We have created this. Now let's resize this, right click on these buttons, hide all field buttons, and press this plus sign, remove grid lines, remove legend, and remove chart title. That's it. Okay, it looks like this. Now let's copy this, copy, and let's move it to somewhere like this here to the right side. After copying, come here to the dashboard, click here, paste it here. After pasting that, let's resize it. Come here to the format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. So it will looks like this. That's it. For the top customers, we will do the same, but instead of product in pivot table, we will select customer. So I did the same as I did for top products. I selected this graph now. So now let's come here to sales by month. So for sales by month, come here to the pivot table. We will create a new pivot table. Let's copy this and paste it here. So after pasting it, now let's come here to analyze and select fields. Sorry, analyze, select this also. So in fields, so to find sales based on month, for that instead of customers, we will select here date. So after selecting date, now we will filter this date. Right click on this, and to filter this, we will select group. In group, we will select just month. Press OK. On the right side, we will have sum up amount. That's it. Now let's create a graph for this. Insert, recommended, come here to line 1, just come here, line, and we can select one of them here like this one. That's okay. Press OK. After creating this, let's resize this and bring it here. Remove the buttons, remove grid lines, uncheck this, chart title, remove everything, and finally copy this. Come here to the dashboard and paste it here. After pasting it, let's bring it here. So that's it. Now let's come here to the format, shape outline, no outline, and no fill. Sales by month. Let's select now sales by region. So for that, we will do the same thing. Let's copy this, paste it here. After pasting it, let's select instead of date, now we will select here region. Let's now create a graph for this. Insert, and which graph we can just like, for example, bar column. Yeah, let's select this one. You can select different graphs. Okay, let's resize it and remove all buttons. Press plus sign, remove grading, grid line, legend, and chart title. That's it. Now let's copy this. After copying it, come here to the dashboard and paste it here. Let's resize it. Let's come here to format, no fill, no outline. That's it. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's come here, let's remove this. Right click on every slicer, come here to report connection, all should be selected. Okay, let's select this also. That's okay. Press OK. For this one, right click, report connection. Yes, it is okay. Right click and come here, report connection, all should be connected with this one. Let's press OK. So that is okay. Now let's, for example, just in 2023, everything is changing. Look at, let's 2024, everything has been changed. 2025, we have just 2 orders. So let's check the data in 2025. Let's check the date. Look at these two. We have just these 2 records. And let's remove this filter. Let's select just Mazar. Let's select just Kandahar, like that. Remove it also. Monitor, just laptop. That's it. It was all about our dashboard that we created using MS Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and also like this video and comment down. Thanks for watching.